In this tutorial, we are going to talk about not null constraint in MySQL. So what is not null? Let's say we set not null for a column. It means that column value cannot be null. For example, if we create our product table again, let's say here create table and our table name is products. Let's say here products, then to first bracket like this. And if we just recreate our product table, then we just need to add not null for a column name. Let's say here we have product underscore ID, which is in the previous tutorial I write integer. Then we have product title, which is varchar, and I think it was 50 character, which was also unique. And let's say for the product price, we want the value to be not null. So let's say here price, and in the previous tutorial we set it as decimal and the value was 7,2. So if you want this to be not null, all you need to do is we need to say here not null, and that's all. So if you just execute this, then you cannot insert a null data inside the price column. So since we already have the product table, so I'm not going to execute this, but we are going to alter the price column. So for it, all you need to do is we need to say here alter table, our table name, which is products. Then we are going to say here modify. Then we need to mention our column name, which is price. So we say here price, and the price will be decimal. It will be 7,2, and we just say here not null. End it with a semicolon, and that's all. So right now, if we just execute this, there you can see alter table product modify price decimal 7.2 is not null. So right now we just show the table. We are going to say here select star from our product table. We are going to show all the data. If we now just run this, we are able to see our table. So from the price column, let's go and try to insert a empty data. So here we are going to say insert into our table name, which is product. And we have 3 columns. So we have product underscore ID. Then we have product title and product price. So let's set a value for this. We are going to say here values, and the values will be, the side will be 6. The value will be car. Product title will be car. And let's say we'll give null value for the price. So let's just say here null. And okay, inside into products, it will be S. So let's run it. And there you can see we got an error. Column price cannot be null. But if we just say over here 0 instead of null, it will work. That is acceptable. If we just run this, there you can see product ID car and the price is 0. Because we haven't decided the price, so the price is all now 0. So this was not null constant in MySQL. I hope this was easy for you. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.